Americans are living in a system of inequity and poverty. 69% of all adult Americans have less than $1,000 in a savings account. 50% of women have no savings at all. Banks and credit unions do little to help Americans who pay their bills on time, but lack a high credit score or equity. One's character and bill-paying ability means nothing. If the average American wants a personal or a business loan, predatory lenders with 200% interest and fees usually become their last, if not their only resort. The UPI Loan Fund is providing America's communities with low-interest access to capital. It's time to put America's people first and shareholders' profits second.
The UPI Loan Fund helped Satay Dance and Fitness in the fact that we don't have employees. And not having employees, we could not apply for a lot of the original grants that came out for the pandemic. At a time that we networked with UPI, they knew my business, they knew what I was trying to do for the community here in South Mountain, and they called me to see if I needed assistance. The assistance actually helped me keep my rent paid those first couple of months because of the pandemic. Our clients were not coming in, and we had to, then the governor shut us down, so we couldn't make any money. But other than having that right away, it kept my landlord knowing that I am appreciative of being here and that I would do what I need to do to continue to pay that rent through the pandemic. And they then started working with me on that. I turned to UPI because I trusted them. I know what they do in the community, and I've worked with Frank CRUMP previously. And Frank knew me well enough to know that I'm trying to help the community as well by doing Satay Dance and Fitness and offering space rental to instructors who actually cannot afford to rent space at the more expensive places. And UPI has a reputation of not only helping with your financial side of things, but they also help with the community and life skills. So I was working with Frank and teaching life skills at a middle school a couple of years ago before I started Satay, and that's how we got to know each other, but we kept in touch the whole time, and he knew that I was doing something good for the community as well. I would definitely recommend the UPI Loan Fund to those that are in business for themselves like me, the solopreneurs, because we don't get as much help as folks with employees. Knowing that they are able to assist us with a low interest rate, we'll be able to continue to do what we do to serve the community as well. And I've already, matter of fact, mentioned this organization to other solopreneurs because of the fact of what they did for me when the pandemic first hit. They were the first people to offer me an opportunity to keep this place going. Even though I didn't have people coming in, I could still pay the rent. So for that, I'm definitely giving the word out to everybody that I know about UPI, now that I know more about what they do, how they do it, and I can explain it better to a lot of people than maybe the people that they don't know.
At the UPI Loan Fund, we've made loans for a variety of reasons. For our clients in need of buying appliances, starting or scaling small businesses, or consolidating their debt to a lower interest rate. We help when no one else will, and we provide financial wellness training to support those in need of a loan.
I decided to turn to the UPI Loan Fund for a loan because my wife and I had a special project we wanted to complete here at the house, and it took a little time for the funds that we were expecting to come in, so this gave me an option to secure the funding I needed for the improvement of my home. And they told me the process would be easy and smooth, and it was, and I'm glad we did. I certainly would recommend the UPI Loan Fund to others. It's a special project that was taken on by a man that I have known for years. He made me aware of the special project that he was about to bring to life, the opportunity to help people in the community that may not be able to otherwise secure financing. He told me I should even look into it if I was ever in need. I did. Things worked out just as he said they would, and I would recommend anybody to try and find an opportunity, if needed, to work with the UPI Loan Fund.
The UPI Loan Fund helped me to get the funding I needed to improve my business. The UPI Loan put a smile in my face. The UPI Loan give me hope that always if I need loan and I turn to him, I'll get what I needed. I placed my order for some of my products that I sell fast, and I was short $3,000. I was worried because my bank denied my application. And I have my daughter that told me, "Mom, apply for UPI loan." I was like, wow, I need the money right away. I can't wait. I need the money right away. She said, "Mom, try it. UPI loan is good." Then I applied for the UPI loan and I got approved within 5 to 7 business days. I would recommend UPI loan for friends and family because the process and the application is simple, fast. You apply online, you get approved within 5 business days, and it is low interest rate. And if you need money for emergency fast cash, apply for UPI loan. UPI loan is also for borrowers that have like less than perfect credit. You get approved.
The UPI Loan Fund is here to help, and we need the help of others if we're to create a fair and just society. Join us. Donate, invest, provide a grant, or become a lending partner. Apply for a loan. Together, we will make a difference. Thank you.